Alam mo, minsan sobrang focus tayo sa destination, sa kung saan tayo dapat makarating, paano na tayong kalayo, kung bakit parang ang bilis ng progress ng iba habang tayo parang stuck pa rin. Pero maybe, life was never really about getting there as fast as possible. It's about everything that happens along the way. Yung mga araw na hindi mo alam kung tama pa ba yung ginagawa mo, mga plans na hindi natuloy, yung mga taong dumating at bigla ring umalis, yung mga failures na akala mo katapusan na, pero naging reason pala para mas makilala mong sarili mo. And maybe, hindi ka behind. Maybe, you're exactly where you need to be. Kasi habang busy kang kaiisip kung kailan nga ba mangyayari yung gusto mo, life is quietly teaching you how to become the person who can handle it when it finally does. So take your time, hindi mo kailangan mauna, hindi mo kailangan makipagsabayan sa iba. Just keep going, kasi one day, lilingon ka rin, and you'll realize na hindi pala yung destination ang pinakamagandang part. It was the journey, the growth, the lessons, the people, the little moments.